Thank you. A wonderful evening to everyone. This get-together signifies a beginning of a new chapter in the story of our institution. Tonight, we shall build again new alliance as we strengthen our old relationships. Once more, it is time to refine our goals and to synthesize our plans for purposes of responding to the challenges of the new era in education. To this end, it is my honor and delight to present to you the entire team of the Veritas College of Ilusin. For the administration, Reverend Father Odin L. Ariula, our VCI President. We ask everybody who will be called to be here on the stage. Reverend Father Jericho Pangilinan, our Vice President. Josephine M. Frias, Vice President for Registration and Admission. Portia M. Bernabe, Vice President for Finances. Athanasia G. Vice President for HR and Administration, and yours truly for Vice President for Academic Affairs and Senior High School Principal. For the Academic, Maria Cristina D. Fulay, Dean of Education. Lilian S. Barberan, Dean of BSVA. J. Canton Ross, Dean of BSIT. Jose A. Gomez, ROTC Provincial Coordinator. Janice Ranale, B-Screen Coordinator. Dennis Quatno, Bath Coordinator. Rose Ann Yamera, B.Ed Coordinator. Marika Ropanya, Vicente Coordinator. Bernadette Polo, Senior High School Coordinator. Lorena Polo, BSBA Coordinator. Salim D. Kapalya, SAS Officer and PESO Manager. Amy Ross Ariola, Farm Manager. Al Christian Leyva, Senior High School Teacher and ICT Coordinator, Assistant. security guard. Gavin Lumberio, Theology Head Instructor. Romeo Expectation Jr., Maintenance in Charge. Jeep G Advocates for Justice and Peace, Gavin Lumberio. For Ecological Integrity, Sir Oliver Gordola. For Engaged Citizenship, Oliver Memay. Poverty Alleviation, Jose Miguel Barba. Gender Equality, Marlita Santiago. Youth Empowerment, Ruby Rosada. Other faculties and staff will be called later by your coordinators. Freshmen, push yourselves as far as limits allow and use your talents to the fullest. Believe that your BCI family and its competent academic team will be beside you in every step of your way. All students, now is your turn. You are the new leaders. Take BCI to the peak. Show the new ones how it is done and create a legacy that cannot be erased by time. Enjoy the rest of the night, fellow Veritans. Again, good evening.
And for the introductions of our department teachers, first from PSBA, may we call on Ms. Lorena B. Polo.
Good evening, everyone. I have the honor and pleasure to introduce to you the faculty of the BSBA department. Mrs. Lillian H. Barberan, our dean. Santiago. Mr. Norly Polo. Miss Rosalyn Ocampo. Miss Cristina Canto. Mr. Cortez. Mr. Felix Gaspi and Mr. Romer Santiago.
Let us all give them a round of applause. Thank you so much, teachers. Again, a round of applause, please. And now, let us all welcome the coordinator of the BS Criminology, Mrs. Janice Hernandez. A round of applause. Good evening, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to introduce to you the members of the Faculty of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. We have Mr. Carlito Picarilla, our full-time faculty. Miss Jocelyn Bilolo, BS Crim Instructor. Abelardo Balbedina, BS Crim Instructor. We also have Miss Angelica Hernandez, Mr. Johnny Figueroa, Miss Irene Rica Blanca, Attorney Gary Gapico, Judge Charlie Romano Jr., Mr. Salvador Joseph Delido, Mr. Abelardo Balbedina, Miss Risa Ovalde, Attorney Rabi Al Pancho, and Dr. Jose Cortez. That's all. Thank you so much, ma'am. A round of applause, please. Next, the coordinator of BEd, Ms. Rose Ann Villamera. Let's give her a round of applause. Good evening, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you the General Education and Physical Education faculty. First, we have Mr. Angel Julian. Next, we have
Pogi.
Christy Garais. Mr. Willie Gautani. Mr. Julius Goodline. Mr. Joel Alarcon. Ms. Myla Castillo.
And now, may we have here on stage the coordinator of senior high school, Mrs. Bernadette M.
Good evening, everyone. I am proud to present to you our faculty members of the Senior High School Department. Ma'am Cherry Abarnas, Jose Miguel Barba, Angelica Cabaron, Ma'am Asinet Dyson, Sir Marlon Hermosilla, Ma'am Evelyn Cuna, Ma'am Mary Jane Corio, Ma'am Garcia, Sir Julius Goodlay, Sir Victor Cortez, Ma'am Christy Garais,